The strategic Zojila Pass once again welcomes travelers and supplies of vital goods. The Border Roads Organization has reopened the pass in record 35 days, currently on a trial basis from Kargil to Kashmir side. Situated at a staggering altitude of 11,650 feet, the pass stands as a gateway between Kargil and Kashmir. But when heavy snowfall descended upon the region, the pass had to close its doors, disrupting vital supply routes. But Border Roads Organization carved a path through the snow, inching closer to reconnecting the people.